Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this a small video as a daily recap. So let's get started. I have made a video yesterday, and yesterday I showed a couple of setup, the EUR-AUD and pound Aussie. Even day before yesterday, the same thing, they were dropping. So it's like EUR-AUD, for example, this chart I just made it. Yesterday it was here, bouncing from 62.24. Day before yesterday it was here, and I said it's gonna drop, so it did. And yesterday I said we're gonna bounce from here, so we did, right? So I didn't make the chart because I was not feeling good. Still, not 100%, but so I made this chart here, showing that somewhere here, this is 78% retrace, right? And 64.35. If it goes a little bit more to the upside, then maybe here, somewhere there, is going to make the turn and come first here to 26% line. And if we break to the downside, then we go to 61.68. If not, then there is a chance that we bounce Friday, and anything can happen if the fundy goes the other way, right? So this is one of the setup that we have for today. Another one was against the pound Aussie, and this is the same chart. Same chart means same scenario or options, right? So we are back here again. Thursday, no, not Thursday. Wednesday. In fact, not Wednesday. Tuesday. Tuesday was here, so I said it's gonna drop, right? So it dropped very nicely, and then from off of the tier. And then here we finished the butterfly pattern. Basically, if you pull the fib from here to here, this is 78, 23, and all the way to 127. And I showed it in my yesterday's video that, butterfly pattern is finished, and we're probably gonna bounce from here. The idea is that from 40-minute, when the price bounced, the first few candles, we get a 7-minute entry if it start to go in my direction. For example, if it is gonna start to drop from here, and make a reversal candle and then a couple of red candle, at that time I look for 7-minute chart entry, right? So you should do the same. The 7-minute chart entry will give you the entry if it continue dropping somewhere here, and then you can ride all the way. This is a little bigger wobble here. That is a 20-minute short setup. So you can take this one, cash out, then take the 20-minute, cash out all the way down. Similarly, it was going to the upside, was a 7-minute entry, then a 20-minute entry, and all the way up. The same thing I'm expecting today as well, tonight, I mean. London session and then, right? So if you make the 7-minute entry, and by any chance, if it goes in your direction, then maybe 20, 30 pip, I come and sit in a break even, right? And if it reverses, I'll get out on the break even, no problem, right? So that's how the idea is. And if, for example, if I make the entry from 7-minute chart, usually this stop loss is 15 pip, 15 to 20 pip, right? And it goes against me, and then my SL hit, maximum I'll lose is 15, 20 pip. And then if it's not dropping, then it will go up, right? So I'll find a long entry and then recover myself and make some more, right? That idea. So that's how it is. But in this case, for example, it has gone so much to the upside. If my SL hit the short SL, right, short trade, I will not go long. I will wait, but because it's gonna go maybe all the way here and then drop, so I'll get into the drop again, right? I like to get in when the retracement is finished, right? So this is the retracement of this move. Once it's finished, then retracement for this move is gonna happen, which is gonna be like here, or if the trend is down, then it's gonna go and make the extension like this, right? This was the extension of this, and let me show you the live chart. What the heck? Which one is that? Okay, for example, if you pull the fib, you see from here to here, and then you see the first pullback here touches the 78% right here, right? And then it goes to 38% line, or 23% line, one of these, right? And then the level was there, so nice and clean, it hit the level. And then from there all the way straight down to 161%. You see that? So that is the butterfly pattern. And now for this one, the retracement is 78% already. Not 78, but yeah, 78%. Sorry. Let me remove this. I'm getting confused here. Right, so 78% is this, so it's not touched yet, right? So it's probably 61% we're gonna count. So from there, if it's gonna drop, then it's gonna drop to 23%, right? And if it's going to go and make the lower low, then it will go straight down here, or maybe more to the downside, extension to 127. Or if it is going to bounce because of the pound news, good news will come out, and then it will go up, right? So this 61, 23, and then 78, that would be a Gertler pattern, right? So this is the mumbo jumbo that Fib do all the time. If you learn that, and then you can play around with the Fib very easily. So I made this chart, for example. Let me show you the chart, right? Okay, this is the chart, right? So I was expecting a drop, and look, already it is dropping. Whoops, wrong broker. See, it already started to drop. All I had to do is get the entry from 7-minute chart and then hold on to it. If it goes all the way there, 60, 70 pip, 80 pip, whatever. Similarly here, this one, this is the chart I made, and so far it is like, man, I'm keep going the wrong broker. Just a reversal candle, and the next red candle is underway, right? So I don't even have a short entry right now, but maybe in 1 or 2 red candle, and it will give me the short entry. The time is not going to be the right time, so I'll hold on to it until the Frankie open, 2 o'clock Eastern time, right? And that time, if it is still dropping, I'll find the 7-minute short entry and get in, and then I'll show my trade tomorrow. I'm making these charts as well, 40-minute charts, so I can show that this is the chart before I made, and this is what happened, right? Similarly, yesterday I showed you guys the pound USD chart, right? This was I set up this wave, A, B, and then C, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 of wave C, supposedly be coming to the upside. And that's where I said that, okay, 38% of this, maybe 50%, and then it's gonna go up for wave 5. And exactly what happened, this what happened right from there. And the last time I made the chart, I don't know yet. Right now, market is dead. Right now it's 11. It's 11:30, 11:40. So in a couple hours, Frankie open, then we will see what's gonna happen. Now another thing very interesting happening is the U.S. dollar index. U.S. dollar index is well, let me show you from the. Okay, this was the chart I made, right? Let me see. Okay, this is the chart I made of 1st December, that this thing is gonna go up first here, make the wave 4, finish the wave 4 around 1301 or 1390, somewhere in between, and then it's gonna drop all the way down here to 61% into this area. 1026 was my target, or maybe lower than that, right? So watch slowly what happened. It went up, down, up again. We finished wave 4 here, and then yesterday it was here, and today it excuse me, I recorded the chart here. It already hit this 0893 already, by the way. So I don't know if I have the chart. Okay, so now this is the chart I made that is gonna hit this. It's gonna drop, hit this 0893, and then probably this whole thing is gonna be finished. This wave 1, 2, and then wave, A, B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave C will be finished. Then wave A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside, whichever. So this is the idea that this might be. Now let's go and take a look at the live chart. So far, what happened? This is what happened. So it came down already and finding support here, 0893, right? So let's see if it's going to go up. Now, what will happen if it is going to go up? Now, let me go back to this chart again. Now, this is the 80-minute chart. It's a little bit higher, like a daily chart, right? This shows exactly what happened from start to finish, wave 1 and wave 2, or wave B and wave C, whatever, wave A and B maybe, right? So this is, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then A, B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes wave C. It is at 78% right now. Well, it's not right now exactly 78%, 0893. So let's go take a look at the 80-minute live chart of US dollar index. Where the heck is that? Okay, here. Right, so we are there. Then I made the charts in this way so that maybe it's gonna bounce exactly from 0893 or somewhere here in between 0893 or 0746. I'm expecting a turn back to the upside. Okay, so this is what happened, and let me see. Okay, also weekly version, right? Let's take a look at the weekly version as well. So the weekly chart I made on the 28th October from here all the way down here. 1026 was my target. So then coming down, 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 down. Today, 14, right here. 0926. Now, when I recorded the chart, but it's already down. So 0893 is right there. And then just below that, if it continue, then 0698. But I'm expecting a turn back here and then coming down. Okay, so this wave A and then A, B, C in this fashion, maybe 0698 and then go up later on, whatever, if it goes up or down. But for now, from here, I'm expecting a small bounce in somewhere here. Let's go take a look at the live weekly chart. What it is doing is right there, right? So I marked here that it's going to drop to 0893, and it did, and it's stopping here. But when the volume comes, maybe we'll drop more to 0698, or if I'm expecting a bounce. So let's see what happens. Either way, it doesn't matter. What the way I trade is that, okay, if it is going to bounce, what will happen? This will happen. US dollar is going to get strong. And it will be pushing EUR-USD, pound USD to the downside. So I just showed you the pound USD. Excuse me. It's about to finish with 5 here, and then wave A should be coming down here. And that would be possible only if US dollar start to get strong. That's why I'm expecting that these things, will finish here somewhere, and then it will drop. And then similarly, EUR-AUD. If you look at the EUR-AUD chart, where the heck is EUR-AUD? EUR-AUD 40-minute, let me show you here. So it was here also yesterday, right? And I said this thing is going to go up as well. And it did. So it went all the way here and making a double top right now, right? And okay, so now you can see here, this also can stop if USD start to get strong. This will also retrace, or maybe like this could be, for example, if you see this whole thing, 1, 2, and 3, maybe 4. The wave count is not clear, but if you see the whole thing is like wave 1, then this could be A, B, and C to the downside. So let's see if it's gonna drop. If USD start to go to the upside, US dollar index, then definitely pound USD and EUR-USD both will drop, and USD CAD and USD yen will be going to the upside. Right, so these are the setups ready to go. There are some more, but I don't want to give you so many so that you will get confused, right? So only pay attention to 3 or 4 good setups, and even 1 or 2 start to go in your direction. That's it. You're gonna get 60, 70, 80, 100 pip easy, no problem, right? So stick with the plan and trade your plan. That's it, simple as that. So my best charts are EUR-AUD and pound AUD. Let's see what happened. EUR-AUD, how far so far? Yeah, well, this right now is 11.52, so it's a completely dead market right now. But yeah, it's coming. Start this one. Pound AUD is more coming down right now, right? So let's see what happened. There are some more setups. Maybe I'll post on the Telegram then. All right. So just watch the Telegram, be connected, and take it from there. Okay. So yeah, so I didn't do the webinar, but I'm trying to compensate that by making more videos every night, giving you the setups in 40-minute chart. Very easy to trade from there, right? Remember this technique, this principle here, how the 40-minute, you can use how to take the trades from 7 and then 20. So first, maybe 3 to 5 red candles. Well, if it is coming down, by the way. So first 3 to 5 candles, or maybe sometimes 6 candles, you should be able to get the 7-minute proper entry. If not, then don't look for the 7-minute entry. Let go. Sometimes what happens? The price and the news is strong, and the price drops like boom, right? So you don't see no 7-minute entry at all. The price drops 70, 80 pip. Then it will retrace, go back, and make the 20-minute setup. 20-minute chart. So then you look for the 20-minute chart. Now, when the price is dropping, you will notice that the 20-minute setup comes around anywhere from 7 to 11 red candles already printed. From 7 to 11 candles, and then you will find a 20-minute setup, right? So if it goes up, don't just go short, but wait until it goes up, this 20-minute setup, then reverse a candle and a red candle coming down with the continuation, you get it, right? Similarly here, like I said, you see here, it started to go down. Let's count the candles: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactly. After 10 candle, it dipped, and this dip is a 20-minute long setup. You take that, and then from there, from here, all the way here, and that's 145 if you can, right? Similarly here, if this is 20-minute setup from here to here, that was 160 pip trade. And I showed you yesterday, I had that 190 pip, right? No, not this one, sorry. That was USD yen. Yeah, but this same principle work, it doesn't matter which pair, right? The same thing happens. Here, for example, it starts to drop, you get the 7-minute entry here, and then you take it to the next level. By the way, these levels, very, very important. It always, you see, always it goes from one level to a next level. So pay very close attention to these levels. You can see here, this is the level, it started to drop to this level, bounced back to that level, came down to this level, bounced back to this level, came down, and then bounced from this 91.54 straight down to this area. Bouncing from here straight up to 90.35, right? A little bit more to the upside, then you have 90.93. So whenever you have a reversal candle at a level, that's a very good area. And then pay attention. Don't go short here. Pay attention only if you can see the 7-minute entry. If it continue dropping, you have 1, 2, 3rd red candle underway right now, right? Maybe 4th, 5th candle, you will have a nice 7-minute short entry. You take that, ride it somewhere around 10, 12 red candles, you will find another entry, which is on a 20-minute chart. You take that, and that can take you all the way here if it is going to go for an extension. 27. Just check. Let me see. You go from here to here. If it is dropping, the way it's dropping, then exactly the C127 extension coming exactly this area. 87.26, by the way, it's a very, very huge, big number, right? So maybe this time we will go all the way down here. And that will, if you can catch one of these trades in a whole week, that should be enough, to be honest with you, for some people. So a lot of people, all right? So this is how easy it is. I've been making the video since it was here. It came down all the way here, 150 pip. Over there again, 130, 40 pip, to the upside. Several opportunities coming down, going up, and then now you have more opportunities. All right. And I showed you the US dollar index. Pay attention to that. US dollar index move, you have 7 different pairs involving USD. And they're all going to move. And out of 7, at least 3 or 4 will give you beautiful entries. And you just take them, and that's it. All right. So this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, right? So you can get my videos on time. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn how to do it, and how to trade like this and get the system, then you can go on my website, creativetradingsystems.com, and choose your option there, how to you want to be in my group, and then start trading from there. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful last day of trading. I mean, this week, not the lifetime. Last day of this week. Friday, right? Okay. Okay, let me close this. How do I stop recording?